Who wants to learn how to make borscht? So it's spelled B-O-R-S-C-H-T. The T is silent, so it's borscht. It's a soup that originated from Ukraine and Russia. Super hearty, super delicious, and it's perfect for those cold winter mornings. So let's get this recipe going. What ingredients do we need for this recipe? First and foremost, diced beets. Today, I am using red kidney beans, but leftover turkey or rotisserie chicken are other great options for adding protein to this recipe. Of course, this recipe would not be complete without cabbage. So here's our cabbage. We will enhance the flavor of this soup with some diced onions, diced carrots, and diced potatoes. We will also add tomato paste. That helps with the richness, tanginess, and it will give a vibrant red color to our borscht. It balances the sweetness of the beets and carrots, enhancing the dish's flavor. Little garlic, and of course some red pepper flakes for the Indian in me. Just a little though for little heat. Black pepper, this is important. White vinegar. It will preserve the beautiful red color of the beets, balance the sweetness, and add a traditional tangy kick. Borscht is a hearty soup, and fresh dill helps make it even more so. So you do need dill. Next, you need a broth, either vegetable or chicken stock. I'm using unsalted chicken stock today, and I will combine it with water. Lastly, little oil for sautéing. Next, you can just make this in an Instant Pot or a Dutch oven like mine. Today, I'll start the recipe in a Dutch oven and then finish cooking it in the Instant Pot. Let's fire up the stove and start with adding oil. I had forgotten to show you the bay leaves we'll be using today when I showed you the other ingredients, but add bay leaves to give flavor to the soup. It's very subtle. Next, we will add diced red onions and diced garlic. Stir and saute them for a couple minutes until the onions are golden brown. Do not let them burn. Then it's time to add our beautiful diced beets. Look how good they look. Followed by carrots and tomato paste. Once again, tomato paste is for the tanginess and to give the vibrant color to our soup. Once you add the beets, then don't forget to add white vinegar, and that helps preserve the beautiful color of the beets. Mix it all together. Look how gorgeous this looks, and it smells delicious. Absolutely heavenly. Next, it's our vegetable or chicken broth. I have mixed and heated in microwave 1 cup of chicken broth with 1 cup of water. Be careful if you're using salted chicken broth or vegetable broth which is salted. Make sure to combine the salted broth with some water to prevent it from making your borscht salty. I always prefer unsalted broth so I can control the salt. Let's season our borscht with freshly cracked black pepper, as much as you want. Little salt, because I have used the unsalted broth. Little bit of red pepper flakes. I have drained and rinsed my canned kidney beans. This will also be the time that you can add your leftover diced turkey or rotisserie chicken instead of the beans. Or you can do a combination of beans and chicken or beans and turkey. It's up to you. Make this recipe your own. My husband likes potatoes in his borscht, so I'm adding them as well. I have my cabbage ready. I have also washed the fresh dill and chopped it up finely. Once it starts boiling, we are gonna add the cabbage and the fresh dill. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh my God. Make sure you mix everything in, bring everything to a boil, and then give it a taste. I feel like I need a little more salt, so I adjusted that. And then we are ready. Either we can cook this on low heat and let it simmer in this pot, or because my husband is hungry, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Instant Pot today to cook it. So I have added about half cup of water, and my Instant Pot is already hot. I'm gonna go ahead and carefully add my hot borscht to it. Close it up, and I'm gonna set the temperature high, so it's gonna be high pressure for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll start cleaning up. Once the pressure has gone down naturally, then we will go ahead and open the Instant Pot carefully. Don't get burnt by the steam. Oh my God, look how beautiful this looks. Give it a taste, make any adjustment if you need. I just like to serve the soup and then place a dollop of sour cream on it or yogurt and some fresh dill on top of it. I personally prefer to have each bite with a little bit sour cream in it. It's so delicious. You guys have to make this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until next time, take care.